Welcome back, art fans. Steve Harpster here, and in this video we're going to draw my Cartoon Godzilla. You've seen it on a bunch of my videos. I have different versions. I have various versions of Cartoonzilla, but this one's going to be really fun. Draw along with me. Feel free to change your character, and guess who we have here as a special guest? We have Godzilla.
Hey everybody. Hi.
Okay, so I'm going to draw this character using my iPad Pro and the app Procreate, and I'm going to start with Godzilla's eyes. Now, of course, pencil and paper is perfect for this.
Are you going to make me look really weird?
Little lines like this, and then let's bring the eyes right there. Oh,
those are very cartoony eyes.
There you go. We got some cartoon eyes for Godzilla.
That's what I said.
Next, let's add these, I guess they're eyebrows.
I don't have eyebrows. I have eye bumps.
And we're going to add a big Godzilla nose.
Okay, I don't have a big nose.
Here, and it turns into a mouth. It's one big whoopee line.
Whoopee line.
And then let's add...
Did you go to art school or whoopee line?
Or the nostrils, I should say. Let's add some Godzilla teeth.
Yeah, now we're talking teeth. What?
I draw two big fang teeth, and then...
I don't think I have teeth that look like that. Oh, come
I'll
on.
fit 3 or 4 little teeth right there. Just depends. And then I'm going to add 3 more teeth.
Bruh. I don't have teeth like that.
Right there to the end. Let's give Godzilla an ear.
Oh, I have ears? I don't think I have ears.
A lot of times I forget to add the ear to Godzilla. That is something that is a feature of this monster.
Wait,
and then
I do have ears.
Draw the top of the head. We're going to start right here and then go over to that ear.
Okay, the top of my head, plus add some hair. I have really nice hair.
Now we're going to draw the bottom of the jaw.
Oh.
We're going to start right here.
I guess I'm
tooth.
actually bald. Oh, whoa.
Nice big mouth for Godzilla to emote with. Godzilla has a big mouth, right?
Goofy.
And let's go ahead and we're going to draw the back of Godzilla. We're just going to start a big line here and the front of Godzilla.
Okay.
Now we can work on the arms. So,
oh yeah, give me some big biceps.
Line here and here.
I've been working out. Whoa.
And then at the end of those arms, I'm going to add cartoon.
I said
fingers.
big.
I'm going to add another arm right here.
Okay, make me a robot arm. Dude.
And of course, an arm is fingers. I hope you understood that. Okay, so we have a good bit
the king of the monsters.
Before we start getting into the details, let's work on
I don't have little tiny pipe cleaner arms.
Pretty big, giant legs.
Okay, now I like this giant legs. Yeah, because I don't miss a leg day.
Curved lines like this.
Never miss a leg day.
Kind of like the Michelin Man.
I think you're drawing
and then,
donuts.
Let's draw a foot here.
Oh my gosh. What is
and then
that?
We're gonna add some claws or toenails.
I don't have giant legs like that.
Toenails. Then I like to add these little tick marks.
Are cartoons supposed to be funny? Because this is
There's no
funny.
right or wrong way to add those. We need to connect this part here to the leg or the foot.
I'm not seeing the resemblance.
This leg, right here. Trying to see. Sometimes chroma key's not easy. Right here, we're gonna repeat that leg.
Okay, there are my goofy legs, my goofy face, my goofy arms.
Hey, if I ever go too fast, remember you can pause the video and slow it down and watch it step by step. Now we need to, let's go ahead and work on the tail. Why not? We're going to add the tail.
Why don't you give me a poodle tail while you're at it?
By going here.
Did everything else weird.
Little bumps, kind of where the fold of the tail is. And then we're going to bring that up.
Okay, the tail's not so bad.
That is one big line. You might want to take that in steps, so you might want to just come up here, take a little break, bring it around, take a little break, and then you don't have to do a one big line. Let's draw the scales that go up here and down on the belly. And then these don't have to be
I'm not sure this
perfect.
looks like me.
Draw them on different widths and directions and things. Looks good. Now we need to
I think we're missing something. What are we missing? Oh, that's right, spikes.
Back and just have fun with these. There's so many different kinds of Godzilla spikes. I tend to keep mine pretty
I thought you said
simple,
spikes.
but
You're adding
in some of
tacos.
these movies, these spikes are ridiculous. So for the spikes on the tail,
How'd you do that so
there's going to be
fast?
some overlapping.
Look, my spikes
so
are way bigger than that.
Erase
What are you doing?
Parts of the tail, or if you want, you can just you can always not add the spikes to the tail. I don't think it will hurt. But if you are going to, there's just a little bit of overlapping, and you're going to have to erase some of the Godzilla tail. And then I like to add these little tick marks all over because there's a lot of big white areas, a lot of space, a lot of openness to this character. And so just to make them a little more visually pleasing, something for the eye to look at.
Visually pleasing? I'm nothing but visually pleasing.
Kind of
My
represents
mom
some
told me I
scales
was.
here. As you get better and better at drawing, you're going to come up with your own style, your own look, your own way of drawing things. And that's what's so cool about art. Everyone has their own way of doing things. I like
Yeah,
that
your
these
way
little
is goofy.
lines underneath
You just
the
draw
eye
everything
that point out things
crazy
I
and
do.
cartoony.
And there you go. We've got the king of the monsters, Godzilla, all drawn up. I shouldn't say Godzilla, Cartoonzilla.
Oh, I'm
It's time to
Cartoonzilla.
spin the
Now
wheel.
it
See what
makes
we're gonna turn
sense.
this
I get
crazy
it. I get
monster
it.
Into. Okay, now it's time to give that wheel a spin and see what we're going to turn our Zilla into. And let's see, we have. Oh, okay, a nerdy genius. This is going to be a lot of fun. So I need to turn Cartoonzilla into a nerd. Hold on, just 1 second of your time. Before we go ahead and draw this character and make all those changes, can I tell you about my subscription art site? It's amazing. You're going to love it. And I have some free lessons you can check out. Find tons of drawing lessons that aren't here on YouTube. Plus, you can download and print character sheets, blank story pages, mini comic book pages, because I believe every drawing tells a story. You can even spin your very own picker wheel and change your character into something crazy and weird. And I have a couple of free lessons you can check out in the link below. So I can't wait to see you at Harptooniacs members only lessons where every drawing tells a story. A nerdy genius. I'm going to turn down the opacity. First thing we do, add some nerdy glasses. Okay, now we need to change those teeth. Those are not good nerd teeth. We need nerdy teeth. Okay, those are some really nice nerdy teeth. And then, let's see, we need to show that this is a smart monster. Nerdy genius. Oh, I have an idea. So first I was going to add a calculator, but I thought, why not just make it a fun, crazy, weird invention? I don't know what it does, but some sort of weird nerd invention. Thing we need to add, I guess, just general nerdiness. So I added a lab coat and a little bow tie. Boy, this is one nerdy looking Godzilla. Right now, I'm gonna redraw and finish it up, and we'll see what the final result is. Okay, artist, you ready for the final reveal? Our Nerdzilla. There's the face. There is our little computer instrument, and there we go. It's Nerdzilla. Genius Nerdzilla. And I went ahead and colored this character in as well, so let's take a look at the final results. I like it. I like Nerdzilla. I think it looks great. Artists, I hope you had a blast drawing and creating with me. Hey, make sure you check out those free lessons to Harptooniacs. I'd love to see you become a member and draw with me there. But if not, that's great, because I've got more YouTube videos coming out as well. So grab your pencil and your paper and turn on your imagination.